Hello everyone, and welcome to French Fry Trades. Today, we're going to be building another road vehicle here, and we're going to be building this Phillipines P2P Volvo bus. And this is what it looks like here, and it does have a full interior. So let's get right into the build here. So we're going to start off on the front wheels. So put down a block of coal with a button on the side. Then over here on the upper hip box, 3 polished andesite slabs. Then another block of coal with a button on the side. On the front of it, 2 rows of 3 polished andesite slabs in the middle. Then 2 oak slabs on either side, and 5 across the front. Then we'll come behind the wheels here on the outer edge, on the upper hip box, and we're going to do 14 oak slabs coming back. Then in the middle, we'll go 3 wide with polished andesite slabs here and bring it all down to the back of this. And then on this other side, we'll do a full row of oak slabs. Then behind this, we'll put a block of coal on either side again, 3 polished andesite slabs in the middle, and a button on each of these wheels. Behind that, in the center here, we're going to do a 3x3 of polished andesite slabs coming back behind the wheels. Then 3 oak slabs on either side. And then we're going to grab an oak trapdoor, and we're going to put 5 oak trapdoors across this back. And now the base is done, and we're going to come back up to the front here. On either side of the front, put a yellow concrete, 3 black concrete in the middle. Then above it, we're going to do 2 rows of tinted glass across here, and a row of black concrete across the top. On this side right here, in the corner, we're going to put an oak door. Then a yellow concrete. Then an upside down oak stair above the wheel. On this side, 2 yellow concrete and an upside down oak stair. Behind this, we're going to bring yellow concrete down until it's 1 block before the back wheel. And same thing on this side here. Then we're going to come down to the back here, on either side, a white concrete, then an upside down polished andesite stair above each wheel. Then behind that, a black concrete. Then behind that, a yellow concrete on each side. And then behind that, we're going to do 2 sideways observers on the back of each side here. Just like that. Then on this side, we're actually going to knock out this one and put in a door here. Then we need to grab end stone brick walls. And we're going to come on this back middle and put 2 layers of walls in the center here. Then we'll do a yellow concrete on either side and another 2 coming up on each side. Then 2 rows of 3 black concrete in the middle. Then we'll come in front of this, and we're going to do 2 rows of tinted glass all the way down the side of the bus, and just go right over the top of that door. And bring it all the way to the front, and come over the top of this door. Then we'll do the same thing on this side, a full 2 rows of tinted glass on this side, going end to end. And actually I made a mistake here. We need to come in above these observers and change the 2 above it to sideways observers as well. Same thing on this side, so it makes a 2x2 of observers on each side here. Just like that. Next, we'll come up here on the front, and on this top outside edge, we're going to put 4 black concrete coming back. And then 4 on this side. Then we'll move to the rear end here, And on either side of the back, we're going to put 2 black concrete on each side. Then in front of that, we'll do an inward-facing polished andesite stair on either side. And then 2 white concrete on either side. Then we'll fill the rest of this up here with a full line of yellow concrete on either side of the top here. Next, come up on this front corner, and we're going to put a stone button on the side right here. Then one on this side. Then on either side of the front, a glow item frame. Then take another brick fence, put 1 here for the mirror, and 1 here. Then 2 yellow banners like this. And then 2 yellow banners on this side. Then behind this door, we're going to put an acacia button here. And then on this side, 1 here. Then we're going to move to the rear end. And up here, we're going to put a mangrove button here and here. Then over here, 1 and 1 here. Across the bottom layer of this black concrete, put 3 regular item frames like this. Then we're going to come down here. In the middle, put a birch sign here. Then up here, we're going to put a blank dark oak sign. Then 1 in the middle, and I'm just going to do a bunch of hashtags because I don't know what it's supposed to say. If you know what it's supposed to say, you can type that there. And a blank one on the other side, and hit the middle one with orange dye and a glowing sack. Then we'll come up front. Dark oak sign here. 1 in the middle with a bunch of hashtags. And then a blank one on the other side. Hit that one with orange dye and a glowing sack. Then we're going to come on the bottom of the front here, put a birch sign here, and do a set of parentheses. And another one over here with a set of parentheses. Hit those signs with white dye and a glowing sack. Then right here, a dark oak sign, and we're going to type premium. Next to it, another sign with point 2, and another sign with point. And then bus. And hit all of those with white dye and a glowing sack. Then we're going to come up on the side of the top here, a dark oak sign right here, and we're going to type Volvo. Then a dark oak sign here with our number, which is 1008. Hit them both with white dye and a glowing sack. Repeat it over here, so a sign here with Volvo. Then a sign here with 1008. And hit both of those with white dye and a glowing sack. Then we'll come on the side here and put 5 polished black stone buttons here. And then come over on this side and put 5 buttons here. Now we have to make a bunch of banners, so we're going to come into a loom here, and we're going to be using a light gray banner in gray dye, put a horizontal on top, then a black horizontal on the center, then black on the bottom right corner. Then we're going to go to yellow dye and put this yellow triangle on it. Then we'll do a new light gray banner, gray dye, put a horizontal on top, a black horizontal in the middle, and then black on the bottom left corner. Then go to yellow dye and do this yellow triangle. And these are for the headlights. Come up here, put this one on this item frame and the opposite one on the other side. Now come back into a loom, this time with a red banner, light gray dye, put a horizontal on bottom, then an orange horizontal on top, and a black horizontal in the middle. Then put a black border on it. Then we'll do a black banner in white dye, a vertical on each side, and a black border on it. Then black banner in white dye again, horizontal on top and bottom, and a black border on that. Then we'll come place these. These colored ones are for the taillight, so it goes here and here. Then the vertical black and white one in the middle of this item frame, and the horizontal ones on the sides like that. Then we'll come inside here. Up in the front in this corner, a fence gate, then a lever. Then we'll turn around with a black stone brick stair here for the driver's seat. Then behind that on either side, we're going to do a column of 3 iron bars coming up. Then we'll put a warp stair here and here, turn around, 2 going this way. Come to this door, 3 iron bars here, 3 here, 3 here. Come back here, 3 warp stairs across this back, 1 on either side here and here, then here and here. Then we'll come up here, 3 iron bars right here, a stair going this way here, and then we'll just come up each side with a stair every other block on each side here. Then take out quartz stairs on this top outside edge. We're going to do a full row of inward facing quartz stairs down to the back. Then turn around on this side and do a full row of inward facing quartz stairs on this side. Then on this top middle, we'll just fill this with a full line of quartz slabs across here. Just like that. Then on top of the front up here, in the middle, we're going to do 2 rows of 3 oak slabs. Then behind that, we'll do 3 daylight sensors. Then we'll do 6 yellow concrete here, 6 on this side, and in the middle, 6 deep slate tile blocks. Behind it, 3 daylight sensors in the middle, and then we'll fill all the rest of this middle 3 wide with oak slabs and bring it all the way down to the very back of the bus. Then on this top outside edge, we're going to do a full line of oak trapdoors. You could also use yellow carpet on each side up here for correct color, but the trapdoors give it the more correct shape. Then we have 1 more banner to make here, so come into a loom, gray banner, black dye, put a border on, vertical in the center, make the bottom half yellow. And this is for the doors here. So we're going to come over here, and we need to crouch and place 1 on this door, come over here and place 1 on this door here. And there we have it, folks. We've completed our Philippines P2P Volvo bus here. I hope everyone enjoyed this road vehicle build. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And everyone have a great week. Stay safe out there.